Voting is a precious privilege that all must exercise, said Tata Sons Chairman N. Chandrasekaran even as he cast his vote in the Maharashtra Assembly elections. Chandrasekaran also added, "The opportunity to exercise voting is a precious privilege that you can get." Voting, which started at 7 a.m. is underway in the 288 Assembly constituencies in Maharashtra and will end at 6 p.m. The voter turnout till 9 a.m. was reported at 6.61%, according to officials. Of the 100,186 polling stations, 42,604 are urban and 57,582 are rural. About 9.70 crore voters will exercise their right to vote. Pune district is leading in the highest number of voters. Pawar, accompanied by his wife, voted in Baramati, expressing confidence in his victory.